Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Dart spark plugs full guide. Start by gathering tools and new plugs and park the car on a level surface with the engine cool. Wear gloves and safety glasses and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Inspect coils and wires for damage before removal. Keep bolts and components organized in labeled containers. Follow torque specs when installing new plugs and reassemble carefully to avoid cross-threading or loss. In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Dart spark plugs full guide. Loosen coil bolts and carefully lift coils free, keeping connectors labeled. Blow or vacuum out any dirt from the plug wells to avoid cylinder contamination. Use a spark plug socket with extension and swivel as needed to remove old plugs straight out. Inspect each plug for fouling or damage and compare to specifications to diagnose engine conditions. Keep parts organized for smooth reassembly. In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Dart spark plugs full guide. Verify new plugs match OEM part numbers and set the gap with a gauge to the correct spec. Lightly coat threads with anti-seize only if recommended by the plug manufacturer, avoiding the electrode. Thread plugs by hand until seated, then use a torque wrench to reach the proper torque value. Reinstall coils and connectors, reconnect the battery, and start the engine to confirm smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.